If Snapchat is showing a Snapchat was unable to open camera error on your Android phone, it usually means the app doesn't have proper camera permissions or there is a temporary glitch. To fix this, first go to your phone settings, then apps, then app management or manage apps depends on your phone model. Then find Snapchat from the list, tap on it, then tap on permissions. And to make sure the camera permission is enabled. Without this, Snapchat can't access your camera, which triggers the error. Next, try restarting your phone. A simple reboot can refresh system processes and resolve temporary software issues. If that doesn't work, clear the Snapchat cache by going to Settings, then Apps again, App Management or Manage Apps, then find Snapchat from the list. Tap on it, tap on Storage, then tap on Clear Cache. This will not delete your data but can remove corrupted temporary files. Also, make sure you are using the latest version of Snapchat. Go to the Google Play Store, search for Snapchat, and tap Update if available. An outdated app version may cause compatibility issues, including camera problems. If the issue still isn't resolved, uninstall and reinstall Snapchat. This can fix deeper issues related to app configuration or corrupted files. Finally, if nothing helps, check your phone's camera with other apps to ensure the issue isn't hardware related. If the camera works elsewhere, then it's definitely a Snapchat specific issue that should be reported via the app support. That's all for today. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.